Dear students, today we will discuss about pie chart. Question rise in our mind that what is pie chart? Students, pie chart is made in circle. Circle is divided into different sectors and which is proportional to the given numerical data. Circle represent the sum of value of all components. A circle is complete angle which is equal to 360 degree. So for making the pie chart, first we need to find the central angle of the circle. For finding the central angle, we use this formula. Value of the components upon sum of the values of all components into 360 degree. We multiply it by 360 because we have to convert all given data into degrees. Now I am explaining you how to construct the pie charts. First of all, we have to find the total given values of the data. Then find the central angle using this formula. Then we draw a circle of any convenient radius. With its radius, we start to making central angle corresponding to the values of respective components till all components are exhausted. Now you can set the sectors with different colors and design. By this process, we will make the pie chart of question number first of our exercise 24A. See, in question number first, monthly expenditure of a family is given rupees 28,800. Expenditure on various items are given. For constructing a pie chart, we need the central angle of each items. First, I am finding the central angle for rent. So total is given 28,800. 8,000 is out of 28,800. We have to multiply it by 360 because we have to make pie chart in circle. Now 0 to 0 cancel. This 0 to this 0 cancels. 36 1 ja 36 and 36 8 ja 288. 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8 and 0 equal, it will come 100 degree. Then we will find the central angle for food. Expenditure on food is 10,800 upon 28,800 is total, multiply by 360. Cancel 0 to 0, this 0 to this 0, 36 1 ja 36 and 36 8 ja 288. Now 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, remaining is 2, 2 and 8 28, 8 3 ja 24, remaining is 4 and 0 40, 8 5 ja 40, equal, it will come 135 degree. Similarly, we will find the central angle for clothing. expenditure on clothing is 5600 out of 28,800 multiply by 360 degree. Now 0 to 0 cancel, again 0 to 0 cancel, 36 1 ja 36 and 36 8 ja 288, 8 1 ja 8 and 7 8 ja 56 equal 70 degree. This type we will find central angle for education. Expenditure on education is 3600 out of 28,800 into 360, 0 to 0 cancel, again 0 to 0 cancel, 36 1 ja 36, 36 8 ja 288 and 8 1 ja 8, 8 4 ja 32, remaining is 4, 4 0 40, 8 5 ja 40. It is 45 degree. And last one, on saving, expenditure is, saving rupees is 800. 800 out of 28,800 multiply by 360, 0 to 0 cancel, again 0 0 cancel, 36 1 ja 36, 36 8 ja 288, 8 1 ja 8 and 8 1 ja 8, 0 equal to 10 degree. These all are the central angle for expenditure on the different items. By using this central angle, we will construct now a pie chart. For this pie chart, we have to draw a circle of any radius. By this, you can draw a circle of any convenient radius. I have drawn here 6 centimeter radius, a circle like that, and draw a horizontal radius. On this horizontal radius, first I will construct the 100 degree angles for the expenditure 8,000 for rent. We have to, by using this protractor, we will count 100, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is here. So I will draw 100 degree angles with the help of this protractor. Now it is 100 degree. For which rent, right here, rent. Now we will take this horizontal line and make the 135 degree angles. Now put protractor on this horizontal line and count from that side 0 to 135. Now on this next horizontal line, we will put protractor like that and count from that side 0 to 135. 135 angle is here. So I have put a dot and draw a horizontal line for the angle 135. This is the 135. Now on this horizontal line, we will make the angles of 70 degree. We have to put like that and count from that side 0 to 70 is here. So put dot and join this line. This is the 70 degree. And on education we will draw 45 degree. So we have to put like that protractor and count from this side 0, 45 degree, 45 is here. Now join to this 45 degree angles. Now remaining angle is equal to 10 degree. 100 degree is for rent, 135 for food, and 70 degree for clothing, 45 degree for education, and 10 degree for saving. This is our pie chart. Now you can shade it or with different designs. Thus we obtain the required pie chart pose. Now this type I said and made the pie chart for question number first. Now I am telling you one more question number 10. This question says this table shows the percentage of buyers of 4 different brands of bathing soaps. Brand A 20%, brand B 40%, brand C 25%, brand D 15%. Sum of all percentage is equal to 100%. For constructing the pie chart, we need central angle. Just in previous question, we have find the central angle. Like that, we will find for this question 20%, 20 out of 100 into 360 for converting into central angle. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel, 36 to the 72 degree. Similarly, 40%, 40 upon 100 into 360. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel, and 36 for the 144 degree. Now 25%, 25 upon 100 into 360. 0 to 0 cancel, 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 18 2s are 36, and 18 5s are 90 degree. And last 15%, 15 upon 100 into 360. 0 to 0 cancel, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54 degree. Thus we have find the central angle for brand A, B, C and D. For constructing these questions, we will draw a horizontal radius in a circle. Now at the center, first we will make the angle of 72 degree, which is equal to the brand A's value of 20%. Just we have find 72, 0 to 0, 10, 20, 40, 50, 60, 72 is here. So we will join this line and make the angle of 72 degree. This is the 72 degree and this is for brand A. On this next radius, we put protractor here and make the next angle 144. Count here from 0, 0, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 20, 30 and 41, 44 is here. 144 is here. So I am making here angle of 144 with the help of protractor. This is the one 44 degree. This is for brand B. Now next, put protractor on next horizontal line like that and make the angle of 90 degree. 90 is here, so join this line to the circumference for making the angle of 90 degree. This is the angle of 90 degree for brand C. Remaining angle is itself 54 degree, which is for brand D. Thus we have made the pie chart of this question 10. Thank you.